Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how to design a attractive image or a attractive t-shirt logo and bag logos in 2023 successfully. So before I get started right now, I need you to do me a favor, just 5 seconds. Kindly subscribe to my channel right now, turn on the notification bell, like this video, comment in the comment section, and let's get started. So right now I'm on Fiverr, and Fiverr I search the keyword, as you can see, t-shirt design. So as you can see here, there's actually a lot of people here, so I personally look for a niche down keyword that will help you guys to sell quickly and earn fast from this service I'm going to explain to you guys. So as you can see here, this is the first stage of t-shirt design. As you can see, there is a lot of sellers here and they are making really reasonable amount of money. So now I want to show you a keyword that will help you to rank very well, faster, even faster than you could think. It's a niching down I personally did myself, and I'm giving it away in this video as a tips. And don't just look at this keywords I'm going to show you now and just forget about it. Work on it, bro. Hello guys, work on it. Like, I really want you to work on that. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm clicking on my new tab now. As you can see, this is, can you see these bag logos? How many sellers is here? Just 61 sellers. 61 sellers. Don't miss this opportunity. No other people making videos on YouTube will ever show you a niching down that is very low to an extent of 61. This is 61, just a little bit above 50. You could get down to this first page by creating this video right now. You could get down to the first page or second page. It's just 2 pages, guys. Just 2 pages. You could earn from this as fast as you can think. So far, you stay active very well on your account and you keep doing the right thing. Keep promoting your links on social media accounts. You will get an order within a week in this search tag I'm showing you on the screen. Take note of this. Write it down right now. Write it down. So good. So that you understand what I'm saying now. So the website I want to show you guys today is Vexel. Vexel is what I use to design some unique images for my clients, and they are very happy because they have never seen such quality images from other sellers, and every other sellers that have those quality of images, they charge them so high. So when you charge so low, you get more conversions, and it makes you to build a really good and sound reputation with all your clients on Fiverr and any other freelance platform you're working on. So now I'm going to click on my new tab. This is Vexel. Welcome to my Vexel homepage. This, you will sign up once. I will add this website link in my video description, so do check it out. It's going to be in my video description. So once you just click on the link, sign up. Once you sign up, scroll down, or you could search for anything you are looking for. As you can see, this is a search bar here. As you can see, this is not just a website that is not known worldwide. It's really known worldwide. It's partnered with Shopify, it's partnered with ALC and some other ones here. As you can see here, Amazon, even Marshall Amazon, and more, plus more. So as you can see, it's a very popular website that you're going to get what you are looking for here. You're going to get it easily. So right now I want to show you guys how to design a image, like a bag image. For example, this bag here. I will open this new tab, which I have done before. So I'm going to click on my new tab right now. So as you can see, this is the bag. This is the image I showed you just now. So once you open it in the new tab, okay, sorry, I need to show you something. Once you click on this image, it will pop out. Once it pop out, can you see this in mock-up generation? This is what you're going to click on. But if everything you need in the image is complete there, you could just download it. But for me, I don't just download it because you have to like re-edit it, make it more professional, add more colors, more effects, like the logos or the brand name of your buyer. You should add it on the product you want the audience to see. Do you understand me? Good. So now I'm going to go to my new tab, which I already did earlier. Extra. That's the name of my Shopify store. So I used my logo here in this video. This, as you can see here right now, you can't snip into this image because vexel watermark is on this image right now. So you have to download it, and with this image you have to sign up on vexel. So there's so many options here, as you can see, guys. You see there are so many other change of styles of the ladies that are holding the bags. So I will still pick another image and try to edit it to show you how it works as easy as ever. It's very easy for you to do before you're dedicated to it and you are ready to learn new things every day. You keep seeing new things and new posts on this website that will help you earn more on Fiverr. So as you can see, this is another style of image. So I'm going back down here. I'm going to scroll down now for another image that I know I can edit. So right now, okay, this is the last aspect. So I'm going to slide to this side. Yeah, this is t-shirt. This is the main reason why I made this video, to explain to you how to design a t-shirt image, how to change it. As you can see, this is a t-shirt here. I'm going to open in makeup generator. So hold on for it to load, few seconds, guys. So once it's done loading, once you edit the image, you could change the background color, make it more eye-catchy and more attractive. Then boom, you're just going to download it. Rename the file, the name of your buyer's brand name. Rename the file that name and deliver it on Fiverr. Boom, you get paid. You see, just easy as that. If you're able to like take your time, design some portfolios down, in case if any buyer asks you, do you have a portfolio for what you do? You should have a portfolio because you're a designer. You must have a portfolio. So I'm going to add my logo right now. I'll upload it right now here through this bar. I'm going to click on this bar. I'm going to upload my logo, and once I upload my logo, it will display here. And if I want to edit some other things, I will edit in this video in order for you to understand how things works very well. And this is easy, mind you. Don't put your mind that this is hard. It's totally easy. Do you understand it? It is totally easy. Good. Hold on, I'm coming. So guys, I already uploaded my logo. As you can see, extra. I added my logo here. So I want to change the image of this product, this t-shirt. I want to change it to something like green, but mind you, make sure the color of the image matches the logo that your buyer is using, which means I'm going to use either a blue logo, a blue color, or a very close color that will rhyme with what my logo looks like. So do you agree with this, guys? Yes, I'm using this. I want to make it a little bit deep. Yeah, you see, guys, that's it. I just added my so I just added the background of the t-shirt now. Then thereafter we're going to click on these other ones, filter. As you can see, I want to change this filter like the back, no filter. I want to change the filter to something like this. Yeah, do you see the filter changed just now? And if I want to change to something like this, you see, but I don't want this because I want my buyers to see the color of the clothes and what they want to say should be well shown. So thereafter, once you're done designing what you want to design, I want to increase the size of my logo. I want to decrease the size of my logo. As you can see, I want to just, okay, this is extra, this is okay now. So now I'm going to just click on download button. Once you click on download button, it's going to download. It's going to ask you, as you can see, there is 5 options here: original size, large, big, medium and small, but right now download large. So I'm going to click on download and it will pop out and download immediately. Then you will edit the name of the download file, edit it to the name of your buyer's brand name, then deliver it on Fiverr. Do you understand, guys? I really appreciate your time, for everything, for listening to me, and for following up with all my previous videos. Thank you very much once again, and stay tuned for my next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye. So guys, this is the downloaded file. So I will change the name of the downloaded file, then I will deliver it on Fiverr. That's exactly what you're going to do. But right now, I just said that for you to understand what you're going to do when you find yourself in this situation. So thank you very much once again. I really appreciate your time and stay blessed.